Hello there, everybody. Amber Hawkins, your computer needs a Toledo LLC. Celebrating year number 12 of 13. Oh, excuse me. No, I'm not trying to take any years away. Celebrating year number 13 of computer training, more that comes to you. Hope everyone is doing well. It's not too bad out here. You can see the green grass and everything, but it's still cold out here. I am not going to be out here long. Yeah, right. A lot of people are saying, but believe me, no, I'm not going to be out here long. Just want to quickly bring up some more information as far as winter weather is concerned. Winter weather, as far as, let's say, your devices like this phone I'm holding up right now or whatever, you're going to have to be careful and keep them protected and keep them covered. Let me just show, for example, right here. As you can see, carrying case I'm having with the phone carrying case right here. At least you have to have some type of protection of one form or another as far as protecting your devices and everything, because you have to understand whatever the temperature is outside, especially with all the metal and the materials these devices are being made of, they're going to take on that temperature. For your laptops, for your tablets, whatever, you're going to have some type of protective case, and you have to have one, especially for this winter weather. Let me get this real quick. You're still going to have to laptop case, carrying case right here that I have. It's been through. I'm going to have to make sure that's taken care of, but sometimes with the work I do, that happens sometimes. You need to have some type of a protective insulation that these laptop cases have. You still have to be careful when you go inside, because you're probably going to want to start your devices right away. I have mentioned about that before, but your devices, especially if you had them in the trunk, let's say, and your car has been outside for a long time, do not start anything or plug anything right away, because they need to get to room temperature first. Temperature as far as not being extremely cold inside either, but room temperature, so that you're able to operate your device without injury and all of that. And one more thing I want to show real quick. As far as devices are concerned, let's see. I had it together, but this example of a webcam right here and all of that, as you can tell, you know, it's pretty much got some metal to it. This is the stand that it's on, and I also have it where you can see, you know, the USB right here. So you have to understand, whatever the temperature is outside, this is the temperature. This and this right here will be. You have to also, when you get inside of wherever you're going to, do not operate right away. You have to make sure that they are room temperature first, and that the room temperature is outside, so that you can operate. And finally, I wanted to quickly see that, yeah, I'm looking for some people who are like, okay, wait a minute, yeah, it's been that type of day. Hey, sometimes in this field work, I gotta do what I gotta do, but I want to make sure this information was out, and I wanted to make sure that I tell everybody as well. Feel free to spread this video, and I'm gonna make sure I get inside quickly, because it's quite cold out here and it's getting there. So I even myself have to make sure that in case I want to operate this, that it is room temperature first before I do that. If you have any questions, 419-304-4564, yourcomputerneeds.net/contact, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Periscope, and the part of the site for the computers and accessories. Hopefully that will be up this weekend. Everybody take care and make it a good one. Again, keep warm and protect yourselves and your devices. Bye-bye.